Look at that. That is beautiful. What's up, guys? It's Deera. I'm back with another video, and today we're vlogging. Welcome back to a Living in Arizona vlog, where I am making my hometown my next adventure. We are on day 2 of apartment hunting, and what I realized yesterday while I was touring apartments is that none of them felt semi-permanent, because obviously apartment will never be permanent, but it never felt like I could see myself here for more than a year. And so I want to tour a few townhouses or lofts, so that's going to be on the agenda today. We have our very first appointment, I want to say at 9:30, so I'm going to finish getting ready and then we're going to head out. I've never lived in a townhome on my own, so we'll see if I'm up for all the responsibilities that might come along with the townhouse, including managing my own safety. So, all right, y'all, let's go through this townhouse. I'm excited, I'm nervous, but hopefully it's a good experience.
Downstairs wise, kitchen, living room setup, half bath. The only difference with this one is you don't have the pantry space.
Okay.
So the cupboard right next to the fridge will be your pantry space.
Okay. That's not bad though. This is what I would say I have now. All right. Oh, right as you land, here it is. This is a beautiful bed too. Oh, you get multiple closets.
So with it, it goes from wall to wall. Here you would have additional storage space, and then you would have your washer and dryer.
That's so nice. And this one goes for what? Do you know off the top?
$15.95.
This has so much more storage than the other one. And that one has the garage. You don't have any one bedrooms with a garage, right? Okay, this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Starting with the primary bedroom. There's a beautiful shower. So much storage. Then this is the 2nd bedroom. See the bathroom as soon as you walk in. Then here's the 2nd bedroom. No walk-in closets, but it's still very cutesy. And then downstairs, look how tall these ceilings are. My goodness. I would have to hire somebody to put some photos up. So tall.
It is a lot of. That's one thing I do enjoy about it too. Is just how high everything is.
Yeah.
It's like that. It's like, for me, it just feels more open.
Exactly. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Fridge opens this way or that way? This way. Okay. So no water dispenser. Is there ice?
There is.
Okay, so ice must be down here. Okay, not y'all got ice cream in there. Okay, so everything's cute and quaint. It has a beautiful little backyard. Down or up? Up. This is so nice. Okay. And then a little spot for a desk area, which would be great. Most likely I'll be putting my bookshelf there. And a huge pantry. Water heater. Okay. This is what I really want. A garage. This would be so nice. Oh my goodness. I can imagine people probably put gym equipment out there too. I can see it now. Okay. Of course we got laundry. But this is a nice addition to have storage shelves. Indian. Ooh. This is also a little powder room. So perfect. Very cutesy. Does this paneling come on all the units? Oh, it's a special touch.
Yeah.
That's really
I thought I did that
pretty.
first. I moved somebody in when we first took over, and I was like,
This is the 1A, and I didn't get to show y'all, but this whole wall closes off. This is the little outside. Okay, and then this is the closet. It's kind of small, but you can still walk in. And then he's gonna show y'all the wall. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'll show you guys from the other side. But of course you got your washer and dryer out there, and then this is the bathroom. It has ample storage. So much storage. This kind of reminds me of a place that my friend has in LA actually. And then back outside. Look how pretty this is. Ah, adorable. And I think this one is under what, 15 or 16? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is the 2A. Wide open kitchen on the bottom. This is the pantry, which is huge. Got the laundry, which I love. And then we got our bathroom for the first floor. I love that they have a medicine cabinet. And then here's the bedroom for floor 1. And it has a small little closet. Of course, it has carpet. Okay. It's so well lit. High ceilings again, which I'm obsessed with. And let's go upstairs.
Area.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
The bedroom.
That's a nice touch. Okay. We have a little window. And you said this bedroom has the
tub.
Okay. Beautiful. Honestly, that's nice. It's a deep tub too. And they all have a small little window, which is great. Get some light in here. This is a selling feature. The light is separate from the vent. Do you know how rare that is? It's crazy. This is the 1 or 2 bedroom. A little storage here. Water heater. Washer and dryer. It also has a den. Powder room. Okay. An outdoor area. Okay, let's go upstairs. It's kind of dark in here. Carpet on the stairs. All right. Here, first room. Okay. The bedroom. Super tiny. I'm not really sold on this. Second bedroom. Oh, this is the master or the primary. Has 2 bedrooms. 2 closets. Alright. I like that it has 2 closets. Don't love the carpet. Ledge. Alright. This is the 1 bedroom, 1 bath. They left some boots in here. And this is it's a bathroom. And then it has a nice little patio. Okay. And is there lights? I like that there's a 1 bedroom, but it still has an upstairs. Oh, it's like a loft style, open.
Yeah.
Okay. A washer and dryer's up here. Small closet we can set up a little thing right there. It's a huge bathroom. Wow. Hey y'all, we're back at the house and I'm taking a break. I've only toured 2 townhouses today, but the second one wasn't even worth my time going. I didn't record half the places that he showed me because it was just a hot mess express. I didn't know how important a good gym was until I saw that like some of these gyms are very subpar. And the place that I toured, the first one, I love the units, but the gym, it sucked. It sucked so bad. And it also wasn't open 24 hours. So I'm like, I don't know. I like to go to the gym all times a day. So it would just be nice to have a gym that's open 24 hours. But I am so torn. I do like the way that a townhouse makes me feel. I just feel so much more grown. And I feel like you'll have a lot more, not even privacy, but just, should I say autonomy? Because it's just your unit. It's kind of like having your own house. But yeah, so townhouses are looking up. I do have another apartment tour scheduled for this evening, so we'll do one more today. I'm going to try to do 3 a day. I don't know if I'll continue this series because honestly, time is of the essence and I literally need to move in like 2 weeks. I wish I could be doing this in real time with y'all so that you guys can give me feedback, but it's so challenging when I need to move like tomorrow. So I'll probably tour a few more units this week, and if they're worth showing, then I will. But if not, I'll just see y'all at the new apartment, okay? Okay. We are touring the A2 unit. This is just a water heater. It has little storage as you first walk in. This is the kitchen. I'm trying to navigate around you.
Yeah, it,
So
honestly,
cute.
you get me in it.
Okay.
I have socks.
Okay. Look at how much storage you have when you first walk in. I didn't even look at this. This would be kind of like the pantry, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm not tall enough for these high cabinets. But
You gotta
that
get a
is,
step stool.
that's true. Okay, so it's
Lots of little
electric.
built-ins too.
Yeah, there's literally, so okay, it has an ice maker. No water, but I don't drink filtered water from there. Anyway, okay, let's see the rest. We've got a little desk area. That's such a nice touch. A huge little living room quarters. And this is the park view.
It is.
Okay, that's pretty.
It is. Yeah, it's a nice view up there.
I like, you can still see the mountains too.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bedroom. It is just a room meant for sleeping. And then when you come this way, you have this humongous bathroom and closet combo. Look how big the freaking tub is. Gorgeous. And then this closet is what dreams are made of. Wow, so much storage. I love that the laundry's right there. And then even more storage for all of my things. Wow. And this is the A2. All right, y'all, we're in the L1 and look at this little desk area. A dream. So that's the entrance. Then that's the water heater. Come over here. Got washer and dryer. Then we have this beautiful space for a couch, obviously. TV. Where would someone put the TV? Probably this way. And then the couch that way.
Yeah.
And then, okay, yeah, you wouldn't need a table, honestly.
No, just get your bar stools.
Yeah, beautiful kitchen. This is a coat closet. And then I love that it has a small window here. Lots of freaking storage space. And then a cutesy little pantry area. Okay, now onto the showstopper. We got a bathroom with dual sinks. This is honestly a luxury to have a towel closet. And then look at this freaking closet. So much storage. So I'm really torn between this and the A2. But so much freaking space. And then I would still get to keep a tub like I have at my current place. And then here's the bedroom. Super gorgeous. And this is a game changer too. Y'all know I love books, so nice to have a little spot to store all my books. Yeah. Alright y'all, apartment hunting has been fun. I hope y'all have enjoyed this little series. And don't forget to rate your favorite one down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!